Hello, I'm Göran Beijer, and I'm the CEO of Dicot. Dicot is a preclinical drug development company based in Uppsala. We're focusing the areas of sexual dysfunction among men, meaning erectile dysfunction and premature ejaculation. We're a pretty young company, 3-4 years old. We were listed on Spotlight last year, 2018, during our first rights issue. We have a market cap of 60+ million today. We were just through, through a rights issue where we raised another 20 million for further preclinical work. It was successfully done. We were oversubscribed by 244%. To give you some context to what we do, we're working on sexual dysfunction among men. And this is a study called 70 is the New 50, done at the University of Gothenburg some years back, showing that men today, compared to during the 70s, feel healthier, feel happier, exercise more, and having overall a much more active life. And with having a much more active life and you feel healthier, you would like to perform doing physical activities, you would like to travel more, you would like perhaps to work for a longer period, but you also would like to have a strong relationship with your partner and you would like to have an active sex life. So things are changing. On the other side, you can also see, looking at the indication of erectile dysfunction, that even at the age of 40, there are a lot of men affected by erectile dysfunction from time to time. And there are various causes to that, other types of diseases, but you can also see at the rising age, the prevalence is increasing. So we usually say that 50% of men above 40 are hit by erectile dysfunctional problems from time to time. And erectile dysfunction is a huge indication area today, and you probably know Viagra, Cialis are the most common drugs on the market today, with the global sales of $5 billion a year. The drawback with these drugs is that they have a short half-life. You have to take them in advance of sexual activity, meaning 30 to 60 minutes. And you also probably know that there are side effects, headache and flushing, etc., etc. The other indication where we work is premature ejaculation, which affects men over 20 up to 70, 80 years old at the prevalence of 5 to 7%. And there is only one drug approved today. In 30 countries in Europe, it's not approved in US. They have a lot of other off-label products they use for affecting the premature ejaculation. Both these indications can cause lost self-esteem and also lead to depression by men, and of course influence the partner relation. And also many men don't even see the doctor for this indication. It's shameful. If looking at the old demographics, you can also see that the population, 60+ people, as part of the total population, will increase quite dramatically over the next 30 years. So this is just to show you that there is an enormous market today, and that this market will continue to grow. So our drug candidate, Libiguin, is actually, we're handling both, or hoping to treat both these indications with the same drug. And the specific thing with the drug is that the effect lasts for up to 2 weeks, which is very different. And of course, reduces the need for planning of sexual activity. It's based on research done at the University of Uppsala during many years, and actually started from a collaboration with researchers at Madagascar. There is a decoction from a specific tree at Madagascar used even today for treating erectile dysfunction. And from that decoction, the work was done at the research lab in Uppsala for years, and a specific molecule was isolated, and that's the molecule we're working on today. And Joel Wikberg, who is the professor and pharmacologist at the university, also repeated a lot of studies with rats where you can see at the bars, maybe you can't see the numbers, etc. here, but this is to illustrate that there is effect on rats, both on the number of penetrations and also the time to ejaculations at various doses. And the slide to the picture to the right just demonstrate that the complex system driving the sexual functions in the body. And today we can say we don't know exactly the mechanisms of our drug. That's something we're working on right now. We have done some work recently comparing the effects of sildenafil, which is Viagra, with our drug, also on rats. And we have seen that there is a similar effect, but it's very, very clear that our drug also seems to increase the lust part. It stimulates the lust while also increasing the other effects that we are after. We are in the middle of the preclinical work. We're producing active substance. We have done some of the toxicology testing. We will continue that early next year. We are also work together with an outside company on the pharmacological studies to get some clearer answers on the mechanism side. And we will prepare next year for phase 1, and hopefully we aim to start phase 1 at mid-2021. So what we aim at is to, of course, we hope to demonstrate effect on both these indications based on the folk medicine use of the molecule, of the decoction, and also the animal studies that we have. And of course, we would like to drive this through phase 1 and phase 2 and create data proof of concept to see that this works without any severe side effects. And we hope to also, of course, get closer to one or several big companies to help us bring the drug to the market in the next couple of years. Thank you very much.